In this video, we're going to be solving one-step word problems using division. We're going to use something called the run method to solve these word problems. Now, the run method tells us that we read the problem first, then we'll underline the question, and then we'll name the numbers in the operation. So if we read that problem first, it says that there are 24 cupcakes, and they are packed into boxes with 6 cupcakes in each. How many boxes are there? Now, if we underline that question, it says how many boxes are there? So we're going to be looking for the number of boxes there are, which is going to be regarding the cupcakes. Now we're going to name those numbers and figure out what type of operation we're going to be doing. So we see that there are 24 cupcakes. There are 6 cupcakes in each, which they mean in for boxes. Now this word each gives it away that it is a division word problem. So we want to figure out how many boxes there are with 6 cupcakes in each. Knowing that, we'll take 24 and we'll divide it by 6 to get an answer of 4 boxes. Moving on to the next word problem, so we will read the problem out loud. There are 30 students in a class. The teacher splits them into groups of 5. How many groups are there? So again, how many groups are there? We're taking a look at the number of groups there are in total. Well, it looks like we have 30 students in a class. The teacher splits them into groups of 5. So this word splits, this word group, gives it away that it is a division problem. So knowing that we have 30 students and we're going to be grouping them into 5 tells us we'll be 30 divided by 5, which will tell us that there will be 6 groups in total. Moving on to the next question. Okay, we're going to read the problem out loud. Sarah has 18 apples. She wants to divide them equally into 3 baskets. How many apples will go in each basket? So how many apples will go into each basket? So we know we're going to be looking for the number of apples that are in each basket. Now we have a couple words that tell us that it is division. We have equally, we have each, and we have that word divide, which gives it away. So if Sarah has 18 apples, she wants to put it in 3 baskets equally. That means that we're going to have a total of 6 apples in each basket.